Hey there, it's Sandfisha, and welcome back to our exciting journey of learning the alphabet. Today, we're diving into the fantastic world of the letter F. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all our learning adventures. In today's lesson, we're exploring the letter F and the awesome sound it makes. Say it with me, F F F. Fantastic. Now, let's see what exciting things start with the letter F. Our first adventure is with the letter F for fish. Grab your crayons and let's dive into drawing and coloring our fishy friend. Remember, it's not just about coloring, we're also reinforcing that F sound. Feel free to get creative with colors. Jumping into our next activity, it's F for frog. Get your artistic skills ready as we draw and color this friendly frog. Think about the vibrant colors you want to use, and let your imagination leapfrog into action. Flowers bring joy, and so does learning. Let's draw and color a beautiful flower for our final activity. Remember, it's F for flower, so let those petals bloom with your favorite colors. Learning the alphabet has never been this blooming fun. Well, that wraps up our F-tastic journey today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed our letter F adventures, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more exciting lessons. Until next time, keep learning, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.